folks, I have a really cool baritone to show you today, number 784, and it really features pistachio and redwood. So for the back and sides, I picked a really cool piece of pistachio with a beautiful knot there. I think it looks like an eye. And a matching set of sides that I love with a cool little end graft. The top is some of my redwood from the boat shop in Tacoma, and it's been proving to make really good tops. I like it. I also use redwood for the neck. It's a 5-piece neck, and redwood's a little soft for a neck, especially for a baritone, so I put carbon fiber inside of it as well. But that 5-piece lamination really helps too. And then we've got some beautiful pistachio for head plate and bridge that match. Maple binding all around with the maple bridge, I think, is a good choice. And then there's just a tiny graft at the end of this pistachio board, so I went and looked in my pile and found a pick guard that would match that little graft right there. Then the other thing that was a little new for me is this customer didn't want any wound strings on their baritone. They wanted high D, G, B, E, but no wound strings. So I do have the fluorocarbon strings to make that happen, but it does make for a lower tension set. I could see why somebody would want that feel. And the lower tension is a nice mellow sound, and it's easy to play. Yeah, it's lovely, beautiful. So yeah, for this, all the maple binding and everything, there's no black lines anywhere, no black veneers. It's just that natural look, and it feels good to me. So yeah, 784 redwood and pistachio. Ready to go. Cheers.